This is a very simple flower that would be very easy to make even for an absolute beginner. To make this flower, you will need a size 4 yarn, a 5mm hook, scissors, and a stitch marker. There are a few ways to hold and feed the yarn. A simple way is to wrap it around your finger like this and release it as needed. Now hold the tail of the yarn with these two fingers. Take your hook, put it under the yarn, twist the hook like this. This is a twisted loop. Put your finger over the loop and with these two fingers hold this twisted part. Now put the yarn over the hook like this. This is called to yarn over and pull this loop through the first one you had. This is your first chain. Let's make 3 more. Yarn over, pull the yarn through this loop. This is the second chain. Yarn over, pull the yarn through this loop. This is the third chain. Yarn over, pull the yarn through this loop. This is your fourth chain. Take the stitch marker and put this tail of the yarn through it like this. Pull the stitch marker over the chains. Push the hook into this first chain right here below one loop of yarn. Now yarn over and pull the yarn through this chain like this. Pull this loop through this second one like this. You made a ring of chains. Next, make 2 chains. Yarn over, pull the yarn through this loop. This is 1 chain. Yarn over, pull the yarn through this loop. This is the second chain. Next, we'll do a double crochet. Put the yarn over the hook. This is called to yarn over, and push the hook in the center of the ring. The stitch marker shows you where to push the hook in the ring. Now yarn over, pull this loop like this. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull the yarn through these 2 loops. Now you have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull the yarn through these 2 loops. So we made 2 chains and 1 double crochet. Let's make 2 more chains. Yarn over, pull this loop like this. Yarn over, pull the yarn like this. These are 2 chains. Push the hook into the center of the ring. Yarn over and pull a loop. Now this loop, pull it through the second one like this. This is called a slip stitch. And now we already have 1 petal of our flower. We'll make 4 more petals like this. Yarn over and pull through to make 1 chain. Yarn over, pull this loop through. You have 2 chains. Yarn over, go into the center of the ring. Yarn over and pull a loop. You have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now you have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops. So you made the double crochet. Now chain 2, yarn over, pull through. This is 1 chain. Yarn over and pull through. This is the second chain. Now we'll attach the petal with a slip stitch. So push the hook into the center of the ring. Yarn over and pull a loop. Now pull this loop through the second one like this. We have 2 petals for our flower. Now you can remove the stitch marker. Now we start the third petal. We make 2 chains. So yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through. Now we're going to make the double crochet. So yarn over, push the hook in the center of the ring. Yarn over and pull a loop. You have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. So we made the chains, we made the double crochet, and now we have to make 2 more chains. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through. you have 2 chains. Now we have to attach the petal to the ring. Push the hook in the ring, yarn over, and pull a loop, and then pull that loop through the second one you had on the hook. So you have 3 petals. We have to make 2 more. We'll push these petals together. Now make 2 chains. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Now we'll make the double crochet. So yarn over, go into the ring, yarn over, and pull a loop. You have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2. So we have 2 chains, 1 double crochet, and we have to make 2 more chains to finish the petal. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. You have 2 chains. Now we attach this petal to the ring, push the hook in the ring, yarn over and pull a loop. Pull this loop through the second one on the hook. So you have 4 petals. Now we have to make the 5th. Make room for the 5th petal, pushing the other ones together. We make the 2 chains first. So yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through. We'll make the double crochet now. Yarn over, go into the ring, yarn over and pull a loop. Now yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now we have to make 2 more chains. Yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through. Now we have to attach this petal to the ring. Push the hook in the ring, yarn over and pull this loop. Now pull this loop through the second one on the hook like this, and we have our flower. Now leave a longer tail. You can cut the yarn, pull the yarn through like this. Now push the yarn through this center hole to the other side, and the tail that we had from the beginning that goes around the ring, pull it a little bit to tighten the center of the flower. Turn it around, tie these tails together, arrange the petals a little bit. If you make it with thinner yarn, like yarn size 3, it will be a little bit smaller, like this. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you will try to make this flower. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.